Hi everyone, it's Adele from REEP. Today around the world many people will be commemorating Remembrance Day, a day which marks the end of the First World War. We remember those who have died in war by pinning red poppies to our clothing, like the one I have on here, as an international symbol of remembrance. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own poppy using tissue paper and pipe cleaners. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need red tissue paper, black card, green pipe cleaners, scissors and a glue stick. Start by cutting 15 10cm circles from your red tissue paper and then cut 3 4cm circles from your black card. We use the poppy as a sign of remembrance because they carpeted the First World War battlefields of France and northern Belgium in red, where nothing much else was able to thrive. Now take 5 of your red circles and layer them one on top of the other. Carefully pierce a hole through the centre of the circles with one end of the pipe cleaner, like I'm doing here. Then push the pipe cleaner through one of your black circles so that it sits on top of the red circles. Bend the end of the pipe cleaner over to hold the circles in place. You can use a small amount of glue to make sure it stays in place. Finally, you can gently scrunch the tissue paper circles so that they look like the ruffled petals of a real poppy. Repeat this process and make 2 more poppies. Once you've finished, you can display them in a plant pot or in the ground to commemorate Remembrance Day, just like Flanders fields in the First World War. I hope you enjoy learning more about Remembrance Day and the Flanders poppy this week. And make sure to share your creations with us by tagging REEP on Instagram and Facebook. Bye!